Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This overview reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a look at Perfect Privacy, a VPN provider that prioritizes security and anonymity. Located in Switzerland, a country known for its strong privacy laws, Perfect Privacy offers a range of features designed to keep your online activity hidden from prying eyes. Their website, found at https://www.perfect-privacy.com, provides a wealth of information about their services. One of the standout features is their multi-hop VPN connections, allowing you to route your traffic through multiple servers in different locations, adding layers of obfuscation. This makes it extremely difficult for anyone to trace your online activity back to you. They also offer neurorouting, which automatically selects the fastest and most secure server path based on real-time network conditions. This dynamic approach optimizes your connection for both speed and security. Perfect Privacy also supports advanced features like port forwarding and allows for the use of multiple devices simultaneously with a single subscription. They are committed to a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't keep records of your online activity. This is crucial for maintaining your privacy. While Perfect Privacy might be slightly more expensive than some other VPN providers, the robust privacy features and commitment to security make it a compelling option for users who prioritize anonymity above all else. If you're serious about protecting your online identity, Perfect Privacy is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out their website, https://www.perfect-privacy.com, for a comprehensive overview of their services and features. They offer a range of subscription options to suit different needs. So, head over to https://www.perfect-privacy.com and explore Perfect Privacy for yourself. See if it's the right VPN solution for you.